So we already understood about the hardware features. Now let's talk about the software feature. We have switched to the Android mode, and in the Android mode we have all these features available, and in which we are going to explore the whiteboard. So whiteboard is basically nothing but alternative for a traditional chalkboard, what we can see in the everyday school. So this is the whiteboard option in which we get the different features. If you want to change the color to white, green or this color. If you are going to teach a primary student, or if you are teaching for the kindergarten, you can have them easily all the lines of different books and all the patterns. You can also preload the patterns according to your choice and wish from the browser. Coming back to the whiteboard, we have different options of the pen tools available. This is the smooth pen, this is the text pen, and this is the identifying the shape pen. I'll show you the smooth pen. You have a different size options available. Also you can choose your desired color. Moving forward, we have the text identifying pen, where you can write down any text and it will convert it into the text format from your handwriting. In this as well, you can choose your desired color. The third option is identifying the shapes. You can draw the shape and let the board identify the shape and mold it according to your own wish. Also, we have this feature of predefined shape, where you can get the ovals, triangles, squares, the lines and the arrows as well. Also, we have the selection option, where if you are writing or drawn anything, you can select the particular text and you can choose what to do with it, whether you want to cut it, whether you want to copy it, or whether you want to clear it. So in this, we have the add option, we have the tools option, and this is the canvas option. In the tools option, we have the rulers also. If you want to use a protractor for your geometric lessons, or you want to use a simple scale for drawing the simple line, you can use these features. Choose the soft pen option and you can draw the line. You can draw the straight line even without using the shape option. Secondly, if you are using any angles, so over here there are different options available where you can switch it on. For example, if you want to draw an arc, select the arc option, the arc will be drawn. For example, if you want to draw the angles, no matter what angle or what shape of angle it is, acute angle or obtuse angle, you can use the angle using this option. So also, if you want to draw a full angular sector, you can draw it accordingly. Also, you can fill in your desired colors. And you can create your own chart. The main disadvantage for using the traditional chalkboard is that we cannot load any files, or we cannot load any photos or PDF files, but over here you can overlay the photos and you can overlay the PDF files. Okay, coming back to the image and PDF, over here you can download the image document or you can download the PDF. Okay, so if I am choosing this image with the help of the soft pen tool, I can explain each and every features of this human heart to the students practically, while showing the photographs and while showing all the important organs. This feature is only available with our technology, and for the traditional chalkboard method, you may not get these features. Also, if there is any document PDF, so we are selecting this highlighting option, where you can also get to choose the opacity, of the highlighter, also the color and the size of the pen tip. If there is any important line which you need to highlight, just simply highlight the important points and you are good to go. Also, we have the options of adding different pages to the whiteboard. Over here, the plus sign which you can see Simply put on the plus sign and you get the number of pages. So I am on the 4th page right now out of total 6 pages which I have loaded. Select the page number and you can switch from page number 1, 2, 3, 4 as per your desire. Also we have this other option where if you are doing any mathematical problems or if you are doing any mathematical diagrams and you want to load the screen, you can scroll it. You can scroll it from top to bottom. There is this grid. Okay. So what if I've forgotten my pen drive? If I want to show the image, how am I supposed to do that? So we have this option of directly downloading from the internet. Search the web. Yeah. So here you get all the options. The best part is you don't need to select the picture and save it and then load it. Directly you can click this and drag this. You can reduce or increase the size according to your requirements. Also, if you want to show the interactive videos, we have this option of YouTube videos available. Yeah. For options, the interactive education session becomes very easy and very interesting for all the students to understand the basic information, the basic syllabus and the courses. So we almost got to know all the features of the whiteboard, but what if we want to save our information for the next day? So we have the feature over here. There is this small little icon where you can choose the option of save or save as. If you choose the option of save, it will get saved as it is and the teachers can use it the next day as well. Also, so we have another feature as well where you can get the information and crop the information from the internet. I am opening the search browser. I have opened this information regarding the human heart. Okay. So this is the definition. I want this particular piece of definition on the whiteboard. So I'll simply click the icon over here. I can select the desired details, the desired area of my definition along with the image. After selecting this desired information, I have to select this tick mark option. Now you can see the information I have cropped from the internet can easily be available on my screen. Using the highlight option, I am just highlighting the important part and that's it. This is the eraser option which I used. Suppose for example, by mistake I erased this word called welcome. I am unable to write it again. One option what you can use it over here, this is undo and this is redo. So if you make any mistake or if you put any wrong lines or words or highlight, you can simply use this undo and redo option and you don't have to do it all over again. So these are the best features of the whiteboard and I'm sure the students will have fun interacting with it and teachers will also be really glad to teach through this whiteboard. So this whiteboard has a really great feature of an interactive session in a way. Simply I have to go, select the 3 dots, go to the canvas and over here you have the recorder where you can record whatever you are writing on the screen. Secondly, if you want to take the screenshot which I explained. Third and most important, split mode. So in the split mode, if one or more students wants to come and wish to write anything, it's available. Secondly, if I want to have 3 split, simultaneously 3 students can come and do their sums or do their lessons on the interactive board. In the split screen option, in the split board option, you get the 3 options, the smooth pen, eraser and all clear tool. If you want to go back, simply press the exit. So that was the whiteboard option. Apart from that, If you just slide your fingers from bottom to up, you will get these options. These are the shortcut options, and over here there is this option of split screen. So in this split screen option, on one side you can play the video or browse something, and on the other side you can open your PDF file or images and have the interactive session accordingly. So I am choosing browser, and on another screen I am choosing the office suites. So over here I have my video which is being playing, I have my interactive session which is going on, and over here I have the notes related to the videos which I have loaded, and like that you can have the interactive session. Plus, if you want to write anything on the video, it is possible. Simply with this floating tool, you will get all these tools for the annotations. You can pause the video, you can select the pen tool, and you can write. Select the color. Also, if you want to highlight. So that's it. So coming to the next feature, we have the screen sharing feature, where you can share the screen to your phone or to your laptop as well. Visit the eShare.app to download and install the client's app, and you can share whatever the features, whatever the education tutorial things which you are teaching. You can share it onto your mobile phone or to your laptops. I have connected to eShare, so I am selecting the share screen option. So the screen of my mobile phone will be shared onto this whiteboard. Start now. Voila. So from here you can share the information directly from your laptop or your phones to the whiteboard screens. For example, if I go to the Google Chrome, and so over here I can operate the phone while even I am stepping away from the whiteboard screen, and the students are able to see whatever the information which I am willing to share from my phone or from my laptop. To cast the screen from your laptop, you don't need to download any kind of application. All you need to do is go to your Google Chrome and select the cast screen option. Select the cast screen option, check the number, what number this eShare is, and simply click it. So over here, your phone screen as well as your laptop screen will be shared simultaneously.
Like this, we can share up to 9 screens.
And like this, we can share up to 9 different screens onto this one particular Crown Touch IFP board. So coming next, we have this options of preloaded applications over here, where you can see all the applications. This is Chrome application. When we just open the Chrome, you can watch any video or browse anything, download any data, or also we can directly select the home button. It will guide you towards the home. So these are the different options available. eShare Pro, this is the classroom share, where you want to share anything to the students. For example, if you want to conduct a poll where you need the votes of the student, so this is the option for that. This is the responder option, selected option. If the teachers wants to select more than one student for the multiple students, this option is there. If the faculty wants to get the message from the students, this option has been used, and this overall is used for all classroom share. This is the screen recorder. Yeah. This is the file commander, where you can browse this file which are already loaded in the storage, and you can check your internal storage USB drive, and inbuilt all the files which you want to access, the files which are inbuilt, you can access it from this option. Yeah. So this is the office suite. If you want to load any MS files like MS Word files, MS presentation, Excel sheet, or PDF file, you can access that file from this office suite, where you have these options of document, spreadsheet, presentation, and PDF file. So this is the option of a screen recorder. If you want to record the lecture for your future reference, you can choose this option and the screen will get recorded. Another and the last option is the signage. Signage is something where if you want to keep any welcome sign for the students. For example, I can keep this signage of my home screen. So now after operating all these applications, if I want to wipe out the memory, this will wipe out the cache and files which has been stored and which are occupying the unnecessary memory. Just simply click the memory clear and select the clear option. So these are the features of the Android which you can find in the Crown Touch Eye interactive display, and I hope you guys will enjoy using it.